Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to outline text. If you want to create outline text, you can use the Word Art tools. You can go to insert and then click on Word Art. As example, I will use this option. Okay, you can move the Word Art. You can change the text by double clicking and then you can tap like example. Click outside to apply. Now, if you want to set for the text outlines, you can click in here, text outline, and you can set the color. Like I will set into this red color, or you can set into yellow color. It will be create the outline text. You also can bold the text to make it more bigger to view the outline text. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to create outline text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.